After one of the most stressful days of my life yesterday here in Pakistan, it was all worth it in the end. We woke up this morning in Gilgit, drove 3 hours through the mountains with one of the nicest taxi drivers I've ever met, and we have arrived in heaven. Wait until you see this. So this is my £20 room here in Hunza Valley. Wait until you see this view. £20. Check it out. What a place. Bloody hell, what a place. 20 bloody quid for this. So this is actually my second time here in Hunza Valley. If you see my videos last time, you would have seen it was freezing cold, like it was like minus 20 or like it was crazy. And it was so windy, so I couldn't really film anything. Now the weather's perfect, it's a beautiful summer's day, and I've been joined by Bumbasha Ben. Bumbasha Ben, are you ready to find some Hunza water?
Absolutely, I cannot wait. There's nothing I want more. With a view like that.
With a view like this, we're going to try and find some Hunza water. If you don't know what that is, basically it's like a local alcohol they make here on the mountains. Kind of hard to get, kind of expensive. They said 4,000 per bottle.
Really?
Yeah, so we're going to try haggle. We'll get Ali to haggle it down. So yeah, that is what we're going to do. We're just going to basically get drunk on the mountains. So yeah, let's do it. Welcome to Hunza Valley, part 2. Right, we're down by the lake. Bloody beautiful this is. Got my local outfit on, so's Ben. And Ali's dressed like he's going Benidorm with the boys.
He doesn't want to give me a shout out because I'm not cool enough.
What, a shout out?
Yeah.
I'll give you a shout out, mate.
Okay, bet.
I forgot to mention, Ali's a
tag me on
superstar rap star.
Hell yeah.
I'll do it in a different video though. In this video I'm hunting. In this video we're trying to find Hunza water. But check out this water. The bluest in the world.
That's how.
Okay, it's still a bit windy, so I don't know how bad this is going to sound, but what a place. It's good to see this in the summer. It's so blue. Right, first things first, get some food around here. Talk to some locals, hopefully find out about this Hunza water. Maybe have a jet ski. So far, mission failed. We're back at the hotel room after spending about an hour near the lake, speaking to quite a lot of locals, but I didn't film the interaction because obviously they're not allowed to be drinking it, but foreigners apparently can, so I didn't film the interactions. But hopefully tonight around 9 o'clock we might have someone that can sort it. So I'm back to the hotel room, gonna have a nap. The sun has officially gone down here in Hunza Valley, but what a place. Incredible to be back. So I'm gonna have a quick sleep and hopefully get some later. So I'll see you in a bit. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 hours later, we have received it. We're doing the honors, mate. It smells so bad. It smells like basically cheap wine, doesn't it?
Tastes like watered down vodka.
Watered down vodka?
Yeah.
So not great.
Disgusting.
Let me try it. So then, ladies and gentlemen, after a few hours searching around, speaking to many locals, we have found Hunza water. I'm not going to tell you how I got this, but it is possible. It stinks, mate.
It's fucking horrible.
Here we go. That is vile. That's really bad.
It is. I don't even know what mixer to put with it to make it taste remotely nice.
Right, we're going to go out and get some juice or something to put with this, but Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Was it that bad?
Horrendous. And the worst thing about it is we paid 4,000 rupees for that. I guarantee the locals don't pay that price.
You paid 4,000?
4,000 rupees.
Oh fuck.
It's a 1.5 litre bottle.
You said how much was it in India?
In India, a couple hundred rupees, 500.
You got ripped off.
So there we have it, guys. Hunza water. Tried, didn't like it. So I'm going to continue this video tomorrow. I'm going to get an early night. I'm knackered. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow.
Hell of a trip, dude.
It's been mental, hasn't it?
What a day.
Okay, we're on the streets. I'm basically trying to get down to like where you see all the boats and jet skis and stuff if the camera picks us up. However, I've been getting taxis from the hotel, which you can see there. My hotel's down that way. I just asked for a taxi and he said 1,000 rupees to drop me down there. You're having a laugh, ain't you, mate? So I said, bollocks to that, I'm gonna walk it. So I'm gonna cut through this Chinese tunnel, the Pakistan Chinese Friendship Tunnel. You see these all over Hunza Valley. These are all like Chinese built tunnels basically. Bloody hell, listen to... What the hell is going on? Jesus Christ. I thought it was the police or something, so I like waited at the end of the tunnel. I don't even know if you're allowed to walk through these, but I'm not paying 1,000 rupees for literally a 2-minute drive. So obviously you can't see me, these tunnels are literally pitch black. And this is a big one. Apparently it's 2 kilometers long, so I've got to walk 2 kilometers in the pitch black to the end of the tunnel. Bloody hell. The things I do just to avoid a £3.80 taxi, I tell ya. Kind of spooky walking through this on your own. We're like halfway. We're walking like 5 minutes. Feels like someone's watching me. Maybe a Chinese man that built a bridge, who knows. Alright, 10 minutes later. We're nearly at the end. Thank God for that. It's hard to breathe under here. Back looking at the lake. But there's literally no path here. So yeah, I don't think I'm meant to be walking this, but whatever. I'm not paying out 1,000 rupees. But where I'm going is literally down there, where you can see the boats. No idea what the plan is, no idea what the price is. Hopefully it's not a white man price. Right, we're at Abtabad Lake. Let me give you a little look of what it looks like basically. So you've got all these tourist boats here where the locals come and get on their like boat rides and stuff. And then you've got these hotels down here. Now these are really expensive. And I guarantee 10 years from now, this whole place is going to be completely different. There's going to be all sorts of hotels here and tons of Europeans. But yeah, Pakistan in 10 years is going to be a very popular place for tourists. If they sort out their utter bollocks visa system and their stupid SIM card situation, then in 10 years this is going to be packed full of tourists, I can guarantee it. Assalamu alaikum. How you doing? English, yes. I'm from England. England, me. Where are you from?
Pakistan.
Where? Where? Islamabad, Karachi, Gilgit. I love Gilgit. Gilgit Zindabad. Zindabad.
Okay.
Have a good day. Allah Hafiz. You'll notice when you come to the north of Pakistan that a lot of people have white skin, blue eyes, so when they see me looking like this, dressed in a local outfit, they think I'm a local. So those guys then, that I've just seen, they hesitated and was like, is this guy a local? Is he a foreigner? Hence why he said, England? England? And I said, yes, England. But yeah, we're now by the lake. And I'm hoping we can get on a boat. So we've got jet skis down here, but I don't fancy jet skiing. Apparently it was like 300 rupees for a minute. I only got on a big boat. Excuse me, how much is a boat ride?
Jet ski, you need a jet ski?
Not jet ski, no, just a boat ride.
We have different speedboats. Which boat you want?
Just 5 minutes on a speedboat maybe.
Okay. The yellow one is for 2500 for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, 2,500.
Yes.
I was just about to get on that speedboat for 2,500, and this guy stopped me.
He shat himself.
He jumped on me. He was like, "Where you from, mate?" You from London, right?
Yeah.
Good man.
Yeah, moved to Lahore about 3 years ago.
Awesome.
Yeah, in the mountains now.
And this is all your friends here?
Yeah, we're friends from Lahore.
And then I've been joined by these dicks. Basically, I jumped in this hotspot. I was like, "Mate, can I buy you a hotspot? I've got the lads here. Now we're going to get on a speedboat, 2,500. You know, share the price. So hopefully it's worth it. But mate, you have an amazing trip.
Thank you very much, brother. You too.
Yes, mate. And thanks for the tea as well. Wow, it just goes to show you always bump into someone from England here in Pakistan. Absolute legend, that guy, and his friends, super friendly. Now it's time to get a speedboat. I've got Ali over here haggling for a cheaper price. Ben looking like he's going to shit his pants. So yeah, we're going to end the day here with hopefully a few minutes on a speedboat.
Do we have music? Can we play Kid Rock?
Oh Jesus! Bit big, this, isn't it? Pakistani girls. She's nice, mate. Here we go. Fuck it out.
Not what I expected to see in Pakistan.
Yes, this is Pakistan, guys.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, mate.
It's hard to believe we're not.
Blackpool Pier. Thank you, brother.
Your glasses, sir?
Oh yeah, my glasses. Cheers, mate. That was good fun. Jet ski complete here in Hunza. We're now going back to the hotel, but we're not going to pay for a taxi. We're going to try hitchhike. So me and Ben, I'm going to wave someone down. I'm hoping.
He said if we give him like 100 or something, he'll take us.
No, I want to get on a roof of a car or something. First one failed, 2 failed.
This is Harry. Hey, Harry.
This truck could be a dream. Oh yes!
Good man.
Will he let us on the roof?
Yeah, he said. How do we get up there though?
I don't know.
Put your foot
on there.
Oh really?
there, then up.
Oh, you go up first, Ben. Can you take this?
Yeah.
It's filming. Cheers. This is real adventure. This is Pakistan Zindabad. Woo!
Yeah, chalo. Shukriya.
Go. Yes! Well, that was a bit of fun, wasn't it? Sat on top of that roof. I'm now going to end this video with local food here. Apparently they have trouts, which they serve in the resort up here. So I'm going to try it out. Everyone says you've got to try it, they recommend it. And British love fish and chips, so I'm going to get a big plate of fish and chips to end the video. And yeah, another great day here in Hunza. So let's get in there. Got some locals in the distance here playing cricket. Right lads, let's get in there. Fish and chips. Here we go. Shukriya, shukriya.
How are you, sir?
Good, my friend. So I popped in here last time I was in Hunza for a couple hours, and this time I'm going to try the food. So let's order this trout.
Sit outside or inside?
Definitely inside, mate. It's Baltic out there. This here is good. Oh! Yes, So I've just looked at the menu. I'll give you a little glance now. Oh yeah, that's it. I'll be having my English tea after my fish and chips.
Thank you.
Which is, I've ordered this, fish and chips, 1,500.
Thank you, my friend.
I was going to go trout, but £4,000 for some trout. So fish and chips on its way. I have no idea what fish it is. What'd you get, Ali?
I got a chicken biryani, of course.
Chicken biryani, of course.
Dumplings.
And my uncle's an ambassador.
Dumplings.
Ali's got a very important uncle here in Pakistan, and anywhere we go, he goes, by the way, my uncle's the ambassador here, to try and get a discount. Never works. Never works.
Always works. Always works.
It doesn't work. I've had me and Ben step in and go, we're foreigners here. And they go, yeah, no problem, everything's for free, mate. So,
Bullshit.
yeah, fish and chips on its way. What have you got, Ben?
Got it. Dal makhani.
Oh, it looks good, mate. It smells fantastic. Oh!
Excited for that.
Fish biryani.
And here's the big one, guys.
Yeah. He's messing with me.
Here we go.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, yes. Fantastic. Thank you, sir.
With a bit of tartar sauce.
Yes. The Brits are back in town. Cup of tea and fish and chips.
Right there. Right there.
So there we have it, guys. Fish and chips here in Hunza Valley. Let's give it a go.
I'm gonna break that in half, alright?
Yeah, help yourself, mate. It's good. Bit of a spice to it, actually.
Really?
Yeah, it's quite spicy.
The fries or the fish?
Fish.
Oh.
How's yours, mate?
Nice.
That's going to come right out of you later.
It tastes better than it looks.
Right, guys, I'm going to smash this, head back to the hotel, and have some more Hunza Water to end the trip. See you then. Here we go, guys. We're ending the night here. Fire in the hotel. Can't see anything, but I'm with the boys and the locals, who are now the boys. Ben, there's your Hunza Water, mate. Take it back. Enjoy.
Ship myself on the way over.